Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into Apache Stanbol, a powerful open-source framework designed to bring semantic intelligence to your applications. Whether you're building a content management system or a knowledge graph, Stanbol gives you the tools to understand not just what your data says, but what it means. Let's get started. So what exactly is Apache Stanbol? At its core, it's a semantic content enrichment framework. It helps systems understand and interpret unstructured data by adding structured, machine-readable metadata. Built on OSGi, it's modular and highly extensible, making it a favorite for developers working with RDF, SPARQL, and linked data standards. Why should you care about semantic enrichment? Because it allows your applications to go beyond keyword matching. By understanding context, relationships, and meaning, you can power intelligent search, build comprehensive knowledge graphs, and unlock insights that traditional text analysis just can't reach. Apache Stanbol is composed of several core services. The enhancer processes content and applies chains of engines. The EntityHub manages and links entities. Taxonomy helps categorize content, and rules lets you define custom logic. Together, they form a powerful semantic toolkit. Stanbol's architecture is built on OSGi, which allows for modular deployment and easy updates. It exposes REST-TFL APIs for integration, supports pluggable engine chains for custom workflows, and is designed to scale with your data needs. This makes it ideal for enterprise-level deployments. The enhancer is the heart of Stanbol. It processes content using NLP and semantic analysis, then outputs structured RDF triples. You can customize the enhancement pipeline using engine chains, allowing you to tailor the enrichment to your specific needs. The EntityHub is where Stanbol manages entities. It supports linking to external linked data sources, handles entity disambiguation, and provides a REST-TFL API for querying. This makes it easy to integrate with knowledge bases like DBpedia or Wikidata. Stanbol's taxonomy service helps classify content using SKOS vocabularies. It can automatically tag content and apply custom classification rules, making it easier to organize and retrieve information. With the rules engine, you can define custom logic for content enrichment. Using SPARQL-based rules, you can trigger actions based on specific conditions. This gives you fine-grained control over how content is processed and enriched. Let's walk through how content flows through Stanbol. First, raw content is ingested. Then, it's processed through the enhancer using engine chains. Entities are linked via EntityHub. And finally, the output is structured RDF metadata that adds semantic meaning to your data. Stanbol is deeply integrated with semantic web standards. It supports RDF and RDFS for data modeling, SPARQL for querying, OWL for ontologies, and SKOS for taxonomies. This ensures compatibility with the broader linked data ecosystem. Imagine a news portal using Stanbol. Articles are automatically tagged with entities and categories. Entities are linked to DBpedia for richer context. This enables semantic search and improves user engagement by delivering more relevant content. In an enterprise setting, Stanbol can help build a unified knowledge graph. It enriches metadata from various sources, links to external knowledge bases, and enables semantic search across data silos, giving your team the insights they need faster. Digital libraries benefit from Stanbol by automating metadata generation and categorizing content. Researchers can perform semantic searches, and entities are linked to Wikidata or other sources, making the library more discoverable and useful. When deploying Stanbol at scale, performance matters. It supports efficient RDF processing, scalable engine chains, and caching for linked entities. Optimizing REST-TFL APIs also ensures low-latency content enrichment. Security is crucial in any enterprise deployment. Stanbol supports role-based access control, OAuth authentication, and ensures data privacy compliance. Its REST endpoints are secured to protect sensitive content and metadata. How does Stanbol stack up against other tools? It's more modular than OpenCalais, has better linked data support than Gate, and integrates tightly with the Apache ecosystem. However, it may be less user-friendly than IBM Watson for beginners. Getting started with Stanbol is straightforward. Download it from the Apache website, run it using Java 8 or higher, and access it via REST API or the web UI. Then, configure engine chains to start enriching your content. Want to add custom logic? You can extend Stanbol by creating OSGi bundles that implement the Enhancer Engine interface. Register them via the Felix web console and test with sample content to see your custom enhancements in action. Stanbol integrates seamlessly with CMS Platforms. Use REST APIs to ingest content, enrich it before publishing, link entities to knowledge graphs, and enable semantic search, all without disrupting your existing workflows. When deploying Stanbol in production, follow best practices. Use caching for external entities, optimize engine chains for speed, monitor performance metrics, and secure REST endpoints to ensure data safety. Stanbol has an active community under the Apache umbrella. You can join mailing lists, participate in forums, access extensive documentation, and even contribute to the project. It's a great way to stay updated and get help. Looking ahead, Stanbol is evolving. Expect improved NLP integration, better UI/UX, support for more linked data sources, and cloud-native deployment options. It's a framework with a bright future in the semantic web space. Let's recap. Stanbol's pros include modularity and standards compliance. However, it has a steep learning curve and is less user-friendly than commercial alternatives. It's ideal for developers comfortable with semantic web technologies. Want to dive deeper? Check out the official Apache Stanbol documentation, YouTube tutorials, GitHub examples, and community forums. These resources will help you master the framework and build powerful semantic applications. Let's get hands-on. In the Stanbol web UI, create a new enhancement chain, add NLP and entity engines, and test it with sample text. This gives you a feel for how powerful and flexible Stanbol really is. Here's a real-world architecture where Stanbol is used. Content is ingested, processed through Stanbol's enhancement pipeline, integrated with linked data sources, and exposed via a semantic search front-end. This is how enterprises are leveraging semantic enrichment today. Here's a look at performance metrics. Stanbol performs efficiently with caching enabled, maintains low latency per chain, and scales well in memory usage. Compared to baseline tools, it offers better throughput for semantic enrichment tasks. When things go wrong, debugging is key. Use Stanbol logs to trace issues, check engine chain configurations, validate RDF output manually, and test with minimal content samples to isolate problems. For advanced users, integrating linked data is a game changer. Configure remote entity providers, use SPARQL endpoints, cache entities, and handle disambiguation logic to build a truly intelligent system. Semantic search works by querying enriched RDF metadata. Use SPARQL for complex queries, enable faceted search, and integrate with search UIs to deliver powerful, context-aware results to users. In research, Stanbol can help build a knowledge graph by aggregating academic papers, linking authors and institutions, enabling cross-domain discovery, and supporting citation analysis, all through semantic enrichment. Stanbol allows you to import SKOS taxonomies, define domain-specific terms, map them to standard ontologies, and use them in classification engines. This gives you full control over how content is categorized. Monitoring is key to maintaining performance. Track enhancement success rates, monitor API response times, analyze entity linking accuracy, and visualize enrichment trends to keep your system running smoothly. Stanbol can run in the cloud. Deploy it on Kubernetes, scale with containerized engines, use cloud-based linked data sources, and integrate with serverless functions for a modern, scalable architecture. To wrap up, Apache Stanbol unlocks semantic enrichment for your applications. It's ideal for CMS, knowledge graphs, and enterprise search. While it requires knowledge of RDF and SPARQL, it's highly extensible and ready for cloud deployment. Thanks for watching. If this deep dive into Apache Stanbol helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more semantic tech tutorials, and drop your questions or use cases in the comments below. Don't forget to share with your dev team. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.